In today's lesson, I will give you some sentences that you can practice reading in English. Also, I will talk about some of the vocabulary words that are in the short story that I have written. Today's topic will be riding an airplane for the first time. So if you need to converse with someone and describe riding an airplane for the first time, this would be a great lesson for you. Getting on an airplane for the first time was both thrilling and terrifying. Thrilling and terrifying. Something that is thrilling and terrifying, it describes that you are excited but also apprehensive. You're looking forward to riding the airplane, but you're also nervous. You may be anxious or have anxiety, but at the same time, you're looking forward to the experience. So it's thrilling and terrifying. Sometimes you can do something that's exciting, but also have a little fear. That's natural. So riding a roller coaster is exciting, but it's also terrifying. And that may be a great example for me to do next time. Let's continue. The buzz of the engines and the excitement of takeoff permeated the cabin as I made my way to my seat. Permeated. Permeated. So when something permeates, it's like saying you're emotional, okay? Your excitement can be seen or felt by others. You may have the jitters. You may grin while you're on your way to your seat. So your excitement filled the air, or it permeated. When the plane took off, I was given a beautiful view from above, an experience that made me feel both small and little in the face of the vastness of the earth and the beauty of the flight. The vastness, the greatness, the hugeness of the earth. It's expansive or enormous. So vastness describes the size of something. Okay? So imagine looking out of the airplane for the first time and seeing how great or immense the earth is, especially when you're looking from the clouds. I can remember when I was a child and I rode an airplane for the first time. I was with my sister and we were going to my grandmother's house. And it was, just as I said here, thrilling and terrifying. But I enjoy flying. Some people get nervous. Let me know, how would you describe your first time riding an airplane? I still enjoy when the plane takes off, and I have so much comfort when the plane touchdowns or lands. My name is Jay, and I have a vast number of videos on YouTube to help you to understand and speak better English. If you have enjoyed today's lesson, be sure to like and leave me a comment about your first time riding an airplane. And if you're not a subscriber, make sure you subscribe. Thank you so much for watching today's lesson, and I hope you join me next time. Have a great day.